welcome to our listing at 4801 27th Avenue here in beautiful Vernon, BC. I'm just here at the house now and I'm going to give you a little virtual tour of it here. So here's the hallway and the front entry. This is the lower level, of course. There's a nice garage right here. It's actually a nice big single garage, but lots of extra storage space. It's nice and deep. And then if you go down the hallway, you pass a storage closet, a full bathroom with a tub shower. Here's one of the 3 bedrooms, and there's actually a den as well. Here's the furnace room, newer furnace, and lots of extra storage. This is the 2nd bedroom out of 3. And then here is a den that's just being used as a 4th bedroom right now, but it's not legal egress, of course, but you could use it for anything you wanted, TV room or theater room. Let's have a look upstairs. So up the little stairway here and up into the open plan here where you've got a kitchen adjoining a little dining nook. In here is the laundry room, which is really nice. You can do your laundry while you're cooking or anything else like that. And then over here, of course, is the kitchen. It's got a beautiful view out over the mountains. You can watch the livestock frolicking in the grass up there. And then here's the oak kitchen, really nice shape. And then over here to the living room, dining room combination. This is the dining room, but they're just using it as an office right now. And a beautiful living room. Over here, we've got powder room. And of course, here's the master. And this master is nice and spacious, just big enough for any, queen, king, whatever you want in here. And then there's a really nice little bathroom with a walk-in shower here. And then of course, the walk-in closet. And then of course, going back outside, we'll have a look at the patio area here. It's got its own private little backyard. Just backs onto a residential area there. Here's the access to the backyard. Fantastic little area. Covered patio, which is really nice for those warm days. You can sit out here in the shade. Just enjoy the serenity of your own peaceful backyard here. So this has been 4801 27th Avenue here in beautiful Vernon, not far away from shopping and buy low. Come and book your showing and hopefully we'll see you here soon.